If you need to request a refund from YouTube TV, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before initiating a refund request, review YouTube TV's refund policy to confirm that you are eligible for a refund. Typically, refunds are available for charges made within a certain time frame or if there are issues with the service. Step 2. Sign into your account. Log into your YouTube TV account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with the subscription for which you are seeking a refund. Step 3. Access the Help Center. Navigate to the YouTube TV Help Center. You can find this by scrolling to the bottom of the page and clicking on Help or searching for refund in the search bar. Step 4. Submit a refund request. Follow the prompts to submit a refund request. You may need to provide details about your subscription and the reason for the refund. Be clear and concise in your explanation. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for confirmation from YouTube TV. They will inform you whether your refund has been approved or if they need additional information. By following these steps, you can successfully navigate the refund process with YouTube TV. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support for assistance.